Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Bifacial uplift looks amazing in the deck. Then you install it, and somehow the uplift disappears into the noise. On a 30 megawatt bifacial block, the difference between expected and realized gain is pure IRR, good or bad. ClearSpot's agents exist to measure that delta objectively. Rear side irradiance, albedo mounting height spacing, and BOS shading. If you don't measure them, you are guessing. Our bifacial agent uses geometry, electrical, and thermal data to estimate rear side contribution per zone, not just plant-wide. Instead of seems fine, you get measured bifacial gain per block list of rows under delivering, and the revenue impact flagged next to each. Engineers spend time deciding whether to regrade, recoat, or leave it. The agent does the comparisons. Sampling a few strings with handheld instruments is slow and biased. The agent runs across thousands of modules every flight and updates your bifacial dashboard without anyone building new scripts. Control albedo on test rows, verify assumptions seasonally. Watch for creep in rear side shading from new infrastructure, and track gain over time instead of snapshots. ClearSpot automates the measurement, so those levers are grounded in data, not opinion. Our internal bifacial performance checklist and a sample gain analysis are linked in this episode's resource pack. Grab them via the ClearSpot demo page by requesting the bifacial resource pack for this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.